Hello students, how are you all? Today we will do word meaning, okay? Take out your copies and start writing with me. Today we will do word meaning of A Tale of Two Birds, class 6th, okay? Chapter name is A Tale of Two Birds, okay? Chapter 1, okay? So the first word is tail. Tale means story. In Hindi we will say kahani. Okay. Next word shady. Tree. Shady tree means tree which provide shelter from sunlight in the heat of summer. Okay, in Hindi we will say छायादार छायादार वृक्ष. Next is little ones. Little ones means young children. In Hindi we will say छोटे बच्चे. Okay. Fourth, storm. STORM. Okay. Storm means very bad weather with a lot of rain, comma, strong winds, etc. ओके हम इसको कहेंगे इन हिंदी आंधी या तूफान. Next word is thunder. 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 Thunder means a loud noise in the sky that you can hear. In Hindi we will say गरज. ठीक है, जब तूफान आता है तो जो बादल होते हैं वो गरजते हैं, या गड़गड़ाहट. गड़गड़ाहट. See here, गरज या गड़गड़ाहट. Next word, lightning. Lightning means thunderbolt. In Hindi we will say it आकाशीय बिजली. ओके, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब मौसम ख़राब होता है तब बादल गरजते हैं और बिजली भी कड़कती है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड, fortunately. Okay, fortunately means luckily. In Hindi we will call it भाग्यवश. Next word, robber. Robber means a person who steals something. In Hindi we will call it lutera. Lutera. Okay. Next word is exhausted. Sorry, tired. 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 Tired means exhausted. या थका. इन हिंदी we will say थका हुआ. Next word, suddenly. By surprise. In Hindi we will call it अचानक से. Okay, next word, cry out. Cry out means to shout. SHOUT. Okay, to shout. In Hindi, चिल्लाना. चिल्लाना. Okay, next is 12. Slip away. SLIP, slip. AWAY, away, slip away. Slip away means dodge. DODGE. In Hindi, खिसक जाना, खिसक जाना. Next is amazed. AMAZED. Amazed means very surprised. Very surprised. हैरान. हैरान होना. ओके, हैरान होना. Next is faint. FAINT, faint noises. A faint noise. ठीक है, faint noise means lacking loudness. Lacking loudness in Hindi, हल्की आवाज़. ओके, हल्की आवाज़. नेक्स्ट इज gentle voice. Gentle voice. Gentle voice means sweet voice. Sweet voice. In Hindi, कोमल या सभ्य आवाज. सभ्य आवाज. Next is comfortable. Okay, next word is comfortable. 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 Comfortable means convenient. Convenient. In Hindi we will say आरामदायक. आरामदायक. Next is wonder. Okay, wonder means 17th number is surprises. Surprise. Surprise means होता है wonder. Okay, in Hindi we will say आश्चर्य. Okay, wonder means आश्चर्य. Last is holy man. Holy man means saint. In Hindi we will say it पवित्र आदमी या संत व्यक्ति. And the last word is imitates. Imitates. Imitates means copy, to copy, to copy. ठीक है, नकल या अनुकरण करना. अनुकरण करना. Look here. First word is tale. Tale means story, kahani. Second one, shady tree. Shady tree, a tree which provides shelter from sunlight in the heat of summer. Chayadar vriksh. Little ones, young children, chote bacche. Storm, very bad weather with a lot of rain, strong winds, etc. आंधी या तूफान. Next word, thunder. A loud noise in the sky that you can hear. गरज या गड़गड़ाहट. Light. Next word is lightning. Lightning means thunderbolt. Thunderbolt in Hindi we will say आकाशीय बिजली. Next, fortunately. Seventh number is fortunately. Fortunately means luckily, bhagyavash. Eighth number, robber. A person who steals something, lutera. Ninth number, tired. Tired means exhausted, thaka hua. 10th number, suddenly, by surprise, अचानक से. Next is cry out. Cry out means to shout, chillana. 12th number, slip away means dodge, खिसक जाना. 13th, amazed. Amazed means very surprised, हैरान होना. Next, faint noise, lacking loudness. ठीक है, हल्की आवाज़. 15th number, gentle voice means sweet voice, कोमल या सभ्य आवाज़. 16th number, comfortable. Comfortable means convenient, आरामदायक. 17th number, surprise. Surprise means wonder, आश्चर्य. Next, 18th number, holy man, saint, पवित्र आदमी या संत व्यक्ति. And the last one is imitates. Imitates means to copy, नकल या अनुकरण करना. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. ओके, you have to do this work in your fair copy. Okay, after that I will check your copies. Thanks for today.